If you are a shorter baller, life is a little unfair. Everybody has the high ground on you. But don't worry, it's not over.
Because I've got 5 pro tips for you. The 5th one is my top secret, something I haven't seen anyone else talk about.
As a shorter player, you have one advantage. So you've got to make the most of it in all situations. Dribbling, passing, shooting, finishing, defense, everything. You are going to be quicker than most taller players. Think about it. You have shorter legs and hands. So that means a smaller range of motion, whether it's going up for a shot, doing a crossover, going for a layup, anything. You also have a lower center of gravity, which means better balance. And when you're more balanced, you can play faster. You put these things together, and what you get is a quicker player. And not necessarily faster in terms of full speed running or anything, but quicker. You can change directions faster, you can change speeds faster. So to start things off, you want to keep the ball low when you dribble.
I like to call this pull them down to your level and then beat them with experience.
This will make it hard for a taller person to reach in and steal the ball. If they try, they're putting themselves off balance, so you can either break their ankles or at the very least get some space to make your move.
Like a wise man once said.
Size does not matter when you are flat on your back.
The next thing you want to do is use a lot of changes of speed and changes of direction. Whether this is as you dribble, as you're going into a layup, or as you're going into a shot. Things like crossovers, step backs, euro steps, you got to use them all. You see, since you're naturally quicker, a taller defender would find it tough to keep up with you through all these changes of speeds, changes of directions. Now, as you try to use your speed, use your quickness, they're going to try to use physicality to slow you down. They're going to put their hands in their way, they're going to try to reach in to stop you. So you've got to be able to use your offhand either to protect the ball or to create space,
You can't straight up push your defender away because that would be a foul.
You can push yourself away from the defender, which is going to add to your speed and give you more separation.
You can also use it to get around the defender, seal them, and maybe draw a foul.
And when you're going to make your move, make it quick. You create a small lane to drive there immediately. Don't hesitate, otherwise the defender can catch up and cut you off again. Same thing with stepping back and creating space for a shot. Once you have the space, it's either use it now or lose it. You don't want to play a slow post game or something, because there a taller person has every single advantage on you. You see, this isn't to say that you have to rush things
or force stupid things when you're out of control. Play with patience. Look around, use your brain, and make the right play. But once you decide to make the play, do it as fast as possible without losing control of your body or the ball.
And the fastest way to make your move is to create the angle before you even get the ball. So what does this mean? In a one-on-one, that means as you check the ball and they're giving it back to you, you want to create an angle. Either step slightly to the side, step slightly backwards, or start moving forward. Also, the time at which you catch the ball. You can either catch it quicker or delay the catch to throw the defender off. Get yourself moving, get some momentum into it, so that now the defender is catching up to you before you even dribble.
If it's a 5-on-5, you do this with a give and go, where you pass the ball to a teammate, get moving, and then get the ball back. In 3-on-3, again, there's the give and go, but there's also something called the first pass, where after a team makes the basket, the other team takes it and passes it to a teammate, and you can't intercept this pass. It's kind of like the check ball.
Apart from using your speed, you need to be solid in every single skill. You already lack height, so you can't lack skill on top of that. Click here to learn how to make quick passes. Click here to see some of my favorite finishing moves. Learn to improve your shooting and improve your defense by checking this out. Subscribe and turn on all notifications. See you somewhere here next.